Like every other person on this planet, I am obsessed with Taylor Swift's new album, Folklore. And I have been a Swiftie for I think more than 10 years now. I even wore my red Taylor Swift t-shirt for this, and I decided to create a lookbook inspired by the songs in Folklore. So this lookbook is inspired by amandamaryanna's Harry Styles Fine Line lookbook, and I'll link it somewhere here. You guys should go check it out because she's awesome. And enough of my talking because I know this video will already be long enough as it is because she has 16 songs in the album, all of which are amazing. But let's get into the outfits. To start off this lookbook, we have the first song in the album, which is ironically called The One. But let me just say, this album is absolute perfection and it's making me wanna listen to it with a broken heart just to get the full experience. Just kidding. Ish. Going back to the look, this outfit is based on the line in the song that says, "Tossing pennies in the pool, and if my wishes came true, it would have been you." It honestly took me a really long time to think of an outfit for this song, so I just took the imagery of the lyric video for this. In the lyric video, it was coins against a navy blue background, so I have on this navy blue blazer paired with this navy shorts. For the coins, I have on this gold necklace with this little medallions on it, and for the extra pop, I have on this belt thing that I just attached to the blazer. For Cardigan, I based it on Taylor's outfit in the music video. But quick detour, I cannot say how much I love this song, especially the bridge part, Chef's Kiss. It's not my favorite song, but it's definitely up there. I have on this white dress that I got from my mom. It's actually pretty old, but it's still so pretty and perfect for the look. Of course, we cannot forget the cardigan I'm wearing because of the title, duh. But I have on this oversized cardigan that's my dad's, and I think it really gives off this homey vibe. Also, I decided to go barefoot for this outfit just to match Taylor and because I'm not actually going anywhere. Okay, I went on a completely different route for this outfit than I originally intended, but I'm not mad about it. It looks so good, like look at it. Look at me just posing around in it. So I love this song and I actually researched a bit about Rebecca Harkness, the woman in the song. So apparently she was a socialite who had a bit of a wild streak, so I decided to go extra for this outfit. I have on this corset bustier top that I got from an online thrift store. I just paired it with this wide leg pants to soften the look a bit, and for that extra pizzazz, I have on this gigantic faux fur coat that I pushed down my shoulder a bit to show off that spicy shoulder action. I love the bridge in this song as well, but honestly, all the bridges in this album is perfection. Like, Miss Swift has really outdone herself. Exile is hands down the best song in the album. Well, at least for me, the song is absolute perfection. I literally have no words for it. This song hits differently, like I have goosebumps. So, for this outfit, I have on this really oversized denim jacket over this flowy white dress. In the song, the deep and honestly melting chocolatey voice of Bon Iver, I'm sorry, I have no other way of describing it like a normal person would have, contrasted the soft and higher voice of Taylor. So, I wanted this outfit to have the same juxtaposition with the denim against the soft, white, flowy fabric. Okay, I put in a lot of thought for this outfit, plus I wanted it to have the same vibe of the album's promotional material. So, according to Genius.com, My Tears Ricochet is about an embittered tormentor showing up to the funeral of his fallen object of obsession. So, I went for this all-black base with this mock neck top and leather skirt, and look what you made me do. Taylor infamously said that the old Taylor is dead, so I think both the songs are related. So, since we are on the topic of reputation, I wanted to wear this snake print blazer and these boots because it was a prominent symbol in the album. And since this is kind of a shade track, I felt the snake print is very fitting. Mirrorball is one of my favorites in the album, but honestly, I like all of the songs. So for this look, I wanted to go for a prom-inspired-ish look, but I also wanted to look like a cute disco ball. So I went for this sequin juicy couture dress. This song honestly gives me retro prom vibes, so the silhouette of the dress is perfect. One of the song lyrics was dancing in my highest heels, so I paired it with my highest heels, which are these blue ones that I matched with the blue in the dress. 7 actually reminds me so much of the cottagecore aesthetic that's been going around TikTok and YouTube lately, so I decided to go with that. I have on this floral dress with these poofy sleeves, and it gives off a sort of ethereal vibe. And it also gives me a Disney princess-ish vibe, which I'm not mad at. I'm honestly just waiting for mystical creatures to arrive so that we can wander around an enchanted forest. And this is one of the outfits that actually matches the vibe and aesthetic of folklore. For my shoes, I have on these brown sandals that I got from Greece, which looks like vines going up my leg. The dress is actually my sister's, so thank you to her for letting me borrow it. For August, the song gives off a cold beach day vibe and spending time with a loved one in a beach house, which seems oddly specific, or maybe by the beachside at night in front of a bonfire. So for this outfit, I decided to keep it casual with an oversized white knit sweater. I decided to pair it with this light wash denim shorts for that lazy day look, and I tucked it in a bit just so that it wouldn't look like I wasn't wearing any bottoms. I feel ready to star in a vintage inspired lookbook by the beach. Call me when you're ready to shoot. Just kidding. Maybe. I also feel like this would be perfect for that vintage home video look that everyone's going for. The one with lots of bokeh camera effects and that grainy type of video. You know, that Fuji app but in video format. Honestly, for This Is Me Trying, I couldn't think of an outfit, but I associated it with muted pastel colors. So I decided to put on this soft mint green dress that is actually also my sister's. It gives me Ariana Grande vibes. The shoes I'm wearing are just these cream block heels, which matches the gigantic earrings I'm wearing, which are really heavy. I think it's a good fit for the song, but I don't really have an explanation except that the dress looks sweet, just like Taylor's voice and the tune. Plus, I think this dress is really cute. Like, look at it. I feel like I'm ready to attend a late night talk show or something. The only thing this outfit is missing is a really high ponytail, a spray tan, and a #1 best-selling album. Thank you. Next song, please. Illicit Affairs was the first song that I liked when I was listening to the album for the first time. So for this song, it's about keeping relationships secret, so I decided to wear my international spy look. I don't know why, but I don't make the rules. I wore this all black outfit because I think it would be easier to blend in because that's what the song is mostly about. I have on this black trench coat with knee-high boots. I just wore this feather crop top thing and this mini skirt underneath the trench coat. So, for Invisible String, the lyrics mentioned a lot of colors, and I wasn't about to wear a rainbow outfit, so I just decided on 3 colors. So, the dress I have on is this pink and lavender dress, colors which she mentioned in the song, which is also on point for the entire vibe and aesthetic of this album. It's very cottagecore and folklore chic. That rhymed. I didn't like that dress at first, but now it kinda grew on me. This song is very romantic as Miss Swift seems to have dedicated it again to a certain British lad. I also decided to pair it with these green shoes as she mentioned in the first line of the song, and I absolutely love this outfit as well. So my phone case actually matches the vibe of the lyric video for Invisible String, so I wanted to show you guys because it's really cute. Mad Woman is about how Taylor is labeled as a mad woman because she is apparently overdramatic, and I 100% do not agree with that. I can go on and on about this, but this video is already long enough as it is. So we're just going to stick with the outfits. So for this outfit, I wanted to take a page out of Taylor's book by channeling her Reputation look. During that time, she wore a lot of black sequins, so I have on this sequin blazer that actually changes from silver to black with sequins magic thing. So the imagery for the lyric video was fire, so I wanted to add a pop of red to the outfit with these shorts. For my shoes, I have on the same knee-high boots from the previous outfit, and honestly, this reminds me of the red era when Taylor wore her Ringmaster outfit. For Epiphany, the song was about finding peace even during these trying times, so I wanted to respect that by wearing all white. I feel like this dress actually captures the song's vibe really well. It's a very flowy dress and soft, similar to the song's melody and Taylor's soft voice. If the word epiphany was a piece of clothing, this is 99% this dress. I am in love with this dress so much. The fit is a bit oversized and it kinda hides my figure, so the low back detailing on it is perfect as it shows off just a tiny bit of skin. Maybe that's why I keep posing with my back to the camera. Plus, I really love the small black detailing on it, which is the perfect contrast against the white. I feel like running in the sand in slow motion, but I haven't actually been to the beach for almost half a year now, which would probably explain why I keep mentioning the beach in this video. We're going back to Taylor's roots with Betty. This song actually reminds me so much of 15. I don't know why, but it just does. I wanted to go very country chic with this outfit, so I went with this off-the-shoulder gingham dress that makes me look like a picnic blanket and also probably best dressed Ashley approved. I actually hemmed this dress the night before filming it because it was actually past my knees, so if you notice that botched sewing, please ignore that. And to cinch in the waist, I decided to use this gingham belt from another skirt which matched it perfectly. And we're going all the way with this cowboy boots, or at least I think it is. Now, I'm ready for some square dancing or line dancing? I'm not actually sure. For peace, the first colors I thought of was orange and blue because of the fire and ocean imagery in the chorus. These two colors together looked so good. Chef's kiss again. So I'm wearing this light blue one shoulder top that I just tucked in this rust orange pants with this gold buttons on it. I love how these two contrasting colors look, it's not clashing at all. So I love the song Hoax so much, and it's actually the last song in the album and unfortunately the last outfit in this lookbook. I absolutely wanted to use blue for this because of the lyrics "Don't want no other shade of blue than you." I read somewhere that this lyrics was similar to the lyrics in Delicate, which was "Never seen that color blue." Taylor and Joe are so cute. So, I have on this Peter Pan inspired dress. I wanted to wear this for cardigan, but I thought it would also be perfect for Hoax. The lyric video for this song had the ocean from a cliffside point of view, and this dress flows really well, and it reminds me of, might I say, the ocean? But yeah, I'm really in love with this dress. So, that's it for this video. I had so much fun conceptualizing the outfits for this folklore-inspired lookbook. I hope you guys enjoyed this as well. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite outfit. With that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye!